What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an egg and ham breakfast sandwich. So, wakey wakey, hands off snaky. It's time to bake it. So, stop that, go blind. That's right, baby. The ham and egg breakfast sandwich. And you're saying to yourself, Black Iowa, looks like you're already breaking up, man. What's the matter? Couldn't wait for us? Well, no. I got to get up with the old rooster on the cornflakes box and say, oh, and get my shit rolling, because you know me, I ain't got time for that shit. So, the breakfast sandwich, once again, many variations you could make. The way I'm making it is because of the shit I already got in the old Frigidaire over there. So, what I did was I went ahead and took some eggs with the egg breakfast sandwich with any breakfast deal. To me, you're going to need some eggs, baby. And I ain't talking about the shit that the Easter Bunny brought you. No, ain't no Heath bar in there. So, went ahead and got 6 eggs and put them in a beer mug. And you're saying, like, oh, what are you going to do? Drink them like Rocky Balboa? No! I'm going to put them in there and take a fork because I don't need a whisk. I'm not going to whisk anybody away like I'm some strong, loving man, so. But I am. Go ahead and take your fork, stir around, make them eggs, beat them up, beat it like Michael Jackson. So, once you get that done, I want you to get your pan hot to dry, and we're going to drop them eggs right in there, baby. Now, one thing that I will tell you, if you got an old pan, go ahead and take some grease, just a little bit, put a little dab on the bottom of a paper towel or something and kind of line the bottom. If not, don't worry about it, baby. Just go right ahead. And if you ain't got no grease, fucking baby, let's just do it. So, because when you get up in the morning, and you get up on a Sunday morning, that's the thing about it. This is perfect for game day. And game day is coming up. Them Chiefs are coming back to dominate the NFL. You know what I'm talking about. So, you get up on game day, you want to start drinking right away because that game's at noon. But you need to put something on that or you're going to hurt yourself, baby. And I wouldn't want that. So, get them eggs in there, and we're going to let them scramble for just a little bit, and while they're still loose, we're going to go ahead and add our ham, that old Zuckerman's famous pig, and what today I've got is some old ham cubes, and I ain't talking about Cubert, I'm talking about cubed ham. You're saying again, Black Owl. Cubed ham, what's the deal with that? That's what I had. You can use lunch meat ham, you can go ahead and cook an old spiral ham like Grandma at Christmas, or you can just do what you do, and do it now because I'm hungry and I'm ready to go. So, we've got our ham in there, we've got our eggs in there, everything is cooked and ready to assemble, baby. So, go ahead and get yourself a bagel. And you could toast the bagel if you want, you could get an onion bagel if you want, you could get a raisin bran, whatever the fuck they got now. They got all kinds of bagels. Me, I'm a plain man myself. I'm a simple man, like Leonard Skinner. But, you do what you want. You can toast it, but you know me, I get tired of that shit. So, regular bagel it is. Now, go ahead and cut your bagel open. Some bagels come pre-split, but this ain't none of that. This is the... So, go ahead and split that bagel down the middle and do your breakfast thing. Now, go ahead and take a generous scoop of that egg ham mixture. Put it right on top of that bad dude right there, buddy. Boy, then, I want you to grab your beer. Take a belch, let it all hang out. It is morning, and you gotta say, good morning, America, how are you? Like Willie Nelson. So, take your ham mixture, put it on top of there, and then, personally, myself, once again, something I had in the fridge, because you know me, I like a little spice in my life, baby. I like it spicy. I like to boogie down. So, I went ahead and got some jalapeno, buddy, and put that shit right on top of my breakfast sandwich, boy. Now, when you get that done, you're going to put its breakfast hat on, and it's going to go to work on you, the farm of your gut, boy, and it's going to cultivate something good. So, I'm ready to cultivate, I'm ready to get up in that tractor and ride, I'm ready to take a sight, and I'm ready to take a big old beautiful breakfast bite of this ham and egg sandwich this morning, or tonight, or whenever the hell you want to have it, breakfast or dinner. So, let's just do it, shall we? Alright, baby, the time has come. The ham and egg and, breakfast sandwich is done, and I'm having the first bite, kicking the morning off right for my damn self. So, stand back. Feel like it might be a little messy. Usually is when I'm eating. I'm a hog and slop. Woo! That's what I'm talking about, baby. Good morning. Good morning. It's good to taste you. Not you, Shirley. The sandwich. So, man. Ooh, and that jalapeno in there. That's just what it needed, baby. Just a little kick off. So, I want to thank all of y'all for kicking off your day with me and watching another episode of Cooking with Black Eyeball. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, y'all have a good one. Enjoy that breakfast sandwich. Enjoy the beer. Enjoy the game. Enjoy the day, baby. And I'll see you next time. You lovely thing, you. So, don't need a coffee when you got that, sweet stuff, good stuff, yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh,